If this happens to you, stay tuned. Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. So as I said, if this is happening to you, I know how frustrating it can be. Especially if you're dealing with maybe a special piece of wood, something you spend a lot of time on, maybe an exotic that cost you a lot of money. It can really be frustrating, and it can really take the wind out of your sails when the wood splits. So how do you prevent that? Hey, it's really easy, and I'm going to show you. It's only going to take a second. All right, that's everything we need to take care of this problem. Now, if you've got a piece of wood, you need to put a screw in it, especially if it's close to the end. You definitely don't want to do this. But instead, if we drill a small pilot hole, and if you make sure the bit is about the same size as the shank, a little bit smaller than the threads, that's perfect. Look at that. No splitting. All right, that's it. Now, was that the easiest tip I've ever given you? That was so quick. Wow. So if you drill a pilot hole, you'll have this and not this. Hey, if you didn't already know that, I hope that's helpful. Thank you so much for being here. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and like this video and leave us a comment. And if you like stuff like this, we're doing things like this all the time. We would love to have you come back on a regular basis, subscribe to our channel, and be a part of our family here. So thanks again for being here. And again, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it was helpful. Please come back and see us. See you the next time. Simple piece of wood. It can so if this is a when you put a so if this so if, hey everybody, it's Ricky. I spit on myself.